Hi everyone. When you think about starting coding, one question comes to almost everyone's mind. Do I need an expensive laptop to start coding? The simple answer is no. You don't need any expensive laptop. If your laptop can run a browser, you can start coding. Coding is more about thinking, not about the machine power. The first tool you need is a browser. You already have this. A Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, any browser is fine. This is where you will see your website. Now you need a place to write a code. This is called a code editor. There are many code editor available. For example, Notepad, Sublime Text, Atom, and VS Code. We will use VS Code because it's free, it's beginner friendly, and most developers use it. So you will be learning the right tool from the start. The third thing is very simple. A folder. A website is just a folder with the file inside it. One folder means one website. What you don't need. So basically now let me tell you what you don't need. You don't need paid software, you don't need any coding background, and you don't need any high-end laptop. We will keep everything simple. So we will go step by step. If you feel confused, that's completely normal. Everyone feel confused while learning something new. Learning always takes time. In the next video, we will install the VS Code and write our first line of code. Don't worry, we will do it together. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, you can like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comments.